Hi friends, Amazon just sent me this binding machine to share with you. This is how the machine looks. Have this little part here to control the distance between the hole and this part of your paper. You can decide with that if your hole is here or here, and have this other to the paper that don't you need after you make the holes. And you can use it with different sizes of paper like A5, A4, B5, and A6. You have here all the signals to know how to make your holes in the paper. Let's go use this example. I'm here with the indicator of A5 paper. And look, this is the way that the holes look, but you can control to the numbers of holes. For example, if you take this out of your binding machine, you can select all the holes that you can make. Now I'm here select make less holes. So look the difference. This is the difference between the holes that we make seconds ago and this is now. And you can appreciate it, how works this form to select the holes that you want in your paper. If you can select and make only 3, now I'm gonna use this paper that is A4 size. Look. And I'm gonna make it all now with a different march. Look. You can see that I use the option to less distance between this part and my hole and more distance. This is the function of this little option that I show you here. And this part is comfortable. Don't feel hard to use. You don't need so much strong to use it. And this can be a great option for your office of your work if you need some machines that make this work more easy. So I highly recommend it. See you.